viewers. Today we are going to have a session in the chapter of current electricity. This session is going to taken by two papers. One is Mr. Abhinav Krishna, who is a meritorious student from Christ the King Matriculation School, Higher Secondary School, Kanamamudu, Kanyakumari district. And the second one is I am going to take shortcut method in the same chapter and also in the same question which Abhinav Krishna is going to take. So before going to the session, I want to congratulate Mr. Peter Sir, co-correspondent of Christ the King Metric Higher Secondary School, Kanamamudu, Kanyakumari district, and all the staffs who have encouraged this Abhinav Krishna to take a good session in this channel, in the chapter of current electricity. I congratulate and I clap and we wish Abhinav Krishna, co-correspondent, correspondent and all the staffs of Christ the King Metric Higher Secondary School for giving a beautiful session in my channel through Abhinav Krishna. Let us give a clap to all of them. The question in which Abhinav Krishna today is going to discuss is an important question for the coming NEET 2020 and 21 and also for 21 and 22. So it is very important. So this question is given in an elaborated way by Abhinav Krishna of Christ the King Metric Higher Secondary School. So now let us go for the session with Abhinav Krishna.
I am Abhinav Krishna from Christ the King Metric Higher Secondary School, Kanyakumari, Kanyakumari district. First of all, I would like to say a big thanks to my correspondent, principal and all my staff for giving this opportunity. Today we are going to see a beautiful problem from current electricity unit. That's the most important for JEE, NEET, State Board and CBSE also. Let us see the problem.
Today we are going to see a beautiful problem from current electricity unit, which is very important for state, CBSE, NEET, JEE and so on. Let us go for a section. Four options for this question: A. 5 ampere, B. 0.5 ampere, C. 11 by 3 ampere, D. None of these. First of all, they are asked to find the current flows into the segment line AB, that is, what is IAB. This is what they are asked in the question. When the current IAB reaches the point A, it splits into two different currents. That is, one current will be I1 will be in this direction and I2 will be in this direction. If we find the values of I1 and I2 and sum of these two values will be equal to IAB. So, IAB which is equal to I1 plus I2. How will you find the value of I1 and I2? By applying KCL at the nodes. See, the potential at B will be 20 volt. As well as the potential at this point will be 20 volt. The potential at this point will be must be 0. So we want to find the potential at here V. So in order to find the potential at V, we want to apply KCL at this node. Applying nodes. KCL says the algebraic sum of current at any junction is equal to 0. That is I1, I2 and I3 which is equal to 0. We can find the value of I by Ohm's law. Ohm's law says voltage which is equal to IR, where I equal to V by R. To find the value of I1 which is equal to V by R. What is V? What is V here? V is 20 minus V by R. We resistor crosses 5 ohm. So the I1 value is equal to 20 minus V by 5. And I2 value which is equal to 0 minus V by 10. So 0 minus V by 10. I3, which is equal to 20 minus V divided by 10. I3, which is equal to 20 minus V by 10. So substitute the value of I1, I2, I3 in the equation I1 plus I2 plus I3 equal to 0. So 20 minus V by 5 plus 0 minus V by 10 plus 20 minus V by 10, which is equal to 0. After simplification, 40 minus 2V plus minus V plus 20 minus V equal to 0, because the new denominator 10, it carries into this 10 into 0, 0. Minus 2V minus V minus 3V minus 3V minus V minus 4V. So minus 4V plus 40 plus 20 plus 60 equal to 0. Hence V equal to 60 by 4, which is equal to 15 volt. So the value of I1 which is equal to 20 minus 15 by 5, which is equal to 5 by 5, which is equal to 1 ampere. So I2 which is equal to 20 minus 0, because it flows into the 0 potential by it crosses 5 ohm, which is equal to 20 by 5, which is equal to 4 ampere. So the current flows into the segment AB, which is equal to I1 plus I2. I1 1 ampere, I2 4 ampere, which is equal to 5 ampere. So the current flows into the segment AB is 5 ampere.
You can able to see a circuit diagram in the board which is coming like a rocket. I hope you would have seen this particular diagram. Can you able to say what are the resistance there in the particular diagram? You can able to see there are 5 ohms resistance which have been encircled properly. See there in the diagram, it has been encircled here 5 and 5. Then there are 2 more resistance which have been encircled again with 10 ohms in the right hand side and 10 ohms in the left hand side of the circuit diagram. And there is a voltage 20 voltage battery which is also again encircled there. So you are going to see 3 encircled regions, that is 2 5 ohms and 2 10 ohms and 20 voltage. And the options were given as it is A, it is 5 ampere, B, it is 0.5 ampere, C, 11 by 3 ampere, and finally it's ending with none of the above. So you are going to supposed to find the answer within few seconds. Then what is the trick? The trick is just see the numbers here. There is a number 5 there is a number called 10, and there is a number called 20. If you see the 5 multiplication tables, you will be having 5 ones are 5. You can able to see in the board 5 ones are 5. Then 5 twos are 10 and 5 fours are 20. If it is coming like 5 ones are, 5 twos are and 5 fours are, then the answer is very easy to find. It is 5 ampere. You got it? For example, if you are going for one more sum like this, if it is 4, everywhere 4, there is 2 4 and 2 8, and similarly 16 volt battery is given, means the answer will be the same. It is 5 ampere. So thank you very much for viewing this session. I hope you got the trick now. So if it is 5, then there are 2 5s, there are 2 10s, and 120 voltage is there. If it is 5 into 1 is 5, 5 into 2 is 10, and 5 into 4 is 20, then the answer is 5 ampere. So the option, it comes in the option A, 5 ampere. Remember. I hope you enjoyed the session. For the session, one is from Elaborated Way by Abhinav Krishna, the other one is mine. So kindly note this important question in your notebook and try to have a lot of tricks through my channel. What you have to do is, you have to subscribe my channel, which is so important. Put a like symbol and share to all of your friends. I again wish Abhinav Krishna for his best future and all the success in his future days. Thank you very much and bye.